Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to save you some time and money with the simple poly or plastic end caps. Now, if you're just trying to keep the rainwater out, this is all you need. For the most part, they come in so many different sizes, shapes, and colors, but if you're just trying to keep the rain out, you can save time by putting in a plastic cap. Now, the application of these plastic end caps or top caps is for a tube steel, and you can pick these up at your local supply steel store or on Amazon. 1.5 by 1.5 inch. Got this cap. Done. You don't have to weld an end cap. Just keep that on there. You can paint it, put a small bead of silicone, whatever you want to do. Save yourself some time. Now, just for reference, I had to take another section of this 1.5 inch tube and weld it parallel to make it wider for the gate latch. As you can see here, the original poly or plastic tube was wider, and so I widened and transferred. And here I dug a hole and poured in some concrete, made sure it's square and level, verified the latch works, and put rocks temporarily on both sides so the wind doesn't carry it away before the concrete sets. Thanks for hanging out with me. I knew you could do it. I have faith in you guys.
Okay, let's go.